Suppose you are Tushar Hena, a student of class 6. You are going to observe your birthday on 10ই March. You will arrange a party. Now, write a letter to your friend, Nabil, Reader inviting her to attend the party. মনে করো, তুমি তুষার হেনা, ষষ্ঠ শ্রেণীর একজন ছাত্র ছাত্রী। তুমি 10ই মার্চ তোমার জন্মদিন পালন করতে যাচ্ছ। তুমি একটি অনুষ্ঠানের আয়োজন করবে। এখন তোমার বন্ধু, বান্ধবী, নিলয়, নীলাকে অনুষ্ঠানে যোগদানের আমন্ত্রণ জানিয়ে একটি পত্র লেখো। আনস 577-1 ইব্রাহিমপুর, ঢাকা 1206। 5ই মার্চ 2025। My dear Nabil, hope that you're fine by the grace of Allah. It's long since we met for the last time. Now, there is an opportunity for you to pay me a visit. I am very happy to inform you that my birthday is knocking at the door. On the occasion of my 12th birthday, my parents are going to arrange a party. They have told me to invite all of my friends. I do expect your participation in the party as you are one of my closest friends. Your presence will make me highly glad. Your participation is also necessary for making the party more enjoyable and successful. Convey my best regards to uncle and aunt and affection to the younger ones. I look forward to meeting you. Yours ever, Tushar. তারা চিহ্ন draw an envelope and write full addresses of the writer and receiver.